Today we're checking out these RedRock Grille inserts in black for the 2024 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon and Sahara. If you want to give your front end a tougher and blacked out look without replacing the whole grille, then these inserts are a simple and low cost way to refresh your Jeep's face, so they're definitely worth checking out. When it comes to the features, these are really convenient in the fact that they snap into that factory grille opening to add a darker and more aggressive style that pairs very well with other blackout parts like bumpers, fender flares, maybe some blacked out headlights or rims. They also provide a little bit of extra protection for creating another barrier against small rocks, chips, and bugs before they reach your grille. Because these are fit exactly to your Jeep's grille shape, the fit is going to be factory plus for a snug and rattle-free fit with a very simple installation with a peel and stick, and if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. Overall, these are just a really clean way to refresh that grille while giving you that glossy black look that's not too over the top. These are made from a very durable molded ABS plastic with a black finish that's designed to hold up against weather and UV exposure. The material is going to be lightweight, but strong enough to stay rigid once it's installed. And the edges are shaped to fit flush to the Jeep's grille, so you don't get any rattles or any uneven gaps that look out of place. They're built to handle normal daily driving and some off-road use without becoming too brittle. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid-100 price range. That's a solid value for a quick style change that helps your Jeep stand out from the pack. Now, when it comes to the install on this one's gonna get a rating of 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. You can have this job done in about 20 minutes of your time. The big thing here is make sure you clean and prep that surface really well for the best adhesion and for a lifelong stick. Now let's head on out to the shop and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Today we're gonna be installing grille inserts on our Wrangler, so let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do before we put these inserts in, we're gonna clean and prep our surface to get any contamination off of there. And then we're gonna remove all of the backings on our adhesive so we can get it inserted. All right, once you have all those removed, you can now line this up and make sure it fits correctly. All right, once you have that fully seated, you can apply some pressure and make sure that's in there. All right, now we're gonna move on to our first inner grille insert. We're gonna clean and prep any surface, and then we're gonna remove all of the backing off of this to apply it on. All right, now we can remove all the backings. And now we can press this on just to fit this in there. Get it lined up. There we go. All right, once you have that on and lined up, you just apply some pressure and let it sit down there. All right, once you have this side on, you wanna repeat these first 2 inserts on the other side. All right, moving on to our middle grille inserts, we can now remove the backing. And now we can attach to the middle ones. Apply some pressure on these, and once you have that one on, you can repeat for the other 4 because they're all the same. All right, that wraps up our install for RedRock Grille inserts in black for 24 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon and Sahara. Just remember, for everything Wrangler related, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.